Welcome to the World War Photographer channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Ensign Jane Kende inspects her medical kit on her way to Iwo Jima on March 6, 1945. She was the first Navy flight nurse to serve on a battlefield. At Pearl Harbor on November 17, 1944, U.S. Navy nurses distribute mail. At Balboa Park Naval Hospital in San Diego, circa 1944, Navy nurses enjoy lunch on an outdoor patio. In 1945, Ensign Jane Kende poses with military personnel in Okinawa. At Pearl Harbor's U.S. Naval Hospital, Navy nurses unwind at an officers' club around 1944. On December 16, 1942, U.S. Navy nurses pose for a group photo at Pearl Harbor. Navy nurses celebrate Christmas at Aiea Naval Hospital in Pearl Harbor. The first Navy Women's Reserve Hospital Corps School opened in Bethesda on January 12, 1944, with 240 enlisted women. Navy nurses in the wardroom of USS Relief during World War II. Photo by Arthur Stanley Riggs. Lieutenant Commander Laura Cobb served in both World Wars and was a prisoner of war for 37 months. In Balboa Park, San Diego, circa 1944, 3 Navy nurses model uniforms in gray, blue, and white. After months at sea aboard the Navy hospital ship USS Refuge, 4 Pennsylvania nurses returned to the United States, proudly displaying their campaign ribbons. As of January 1, 1945, beige stockings became the regulation for Navy Nurse Corps street uniforms. U.S. Navy nurses receive commendations for their service aboard military hospital ships in the Pacific. Photographed in January 1943, Navy nurse Captain Sue Dowser played a crucial role in advancing military nursing. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed these historical World War photos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.